Good day, this is Joe Williams with Oklahoma CPR and more. Please subscribe, like, and follow us on the YouTube channel that you are watching this video on. Today, our topic is how to post classes in Atlas. First, you'll go to atlas.heart.org, log in. Your name should appear in this section, and then this will be your main dashboard. You will go to classes. Then you'll scroll down to where it says classes/teach. Click on that field. On the far right hand side of the screen, you'll see where it says add a class. This will bring you to the create a class page. You will actually choose your topic that you're going to put the class in. A provider class, a renewal class, whether it's a heart code class, heart saver class, the heart saver essentials, whether it's just a heart saver skills session, first aid, even in the pediatric. You'll select whichever one that you want, and then at that time you will go ahead and do it. We're going to use the BLS provider renewal. You're using the classroom format and you're using English. You're going to do it offline. If you notice, when you fill out one, they progressively go in order. You cannot fill out one of the other boxes until you have the prior box filled out. Leave the proof of completion and purchase code alone. If it is a private class, then please select the private class. It will not let anybody enter the class that has not been directly invited by you. For this, we're going to do just non-private. And when you're selecting your training location field, you'll see that the training site is Oklahoma CPR and more. If you select the training location, you will see that there's many training locations there. If it is not something that's in the location drop down, then you have the chance of entering the location and naming it accordingly. And you'll select the regions, the city, the state, then you'll have to hit the proceed button, which brings you to the location on the map. You won't do anything with this. Do not use this set as a primary location. You put the number of attending seats, any special information in there that you need. Please call, park on the south side. If you have an image of the place, you can do it. Then you create location. Of course, this wasn't a real location on a street, so we could not do it. You will get a sign if there is something wrong with the location that you're putting in. So we're going to use a predetermined location. Now, if it's a reoccurring class that you do every Wednesday, you can click on there. You can click Wednesday, the starting date, and the ending date that you're going to be doing it on, and the time that you do it at. And then you do not do anything with the cutoffs and the enrollment. You will see your instructor name. Please put in how much you're wanting on the course, and always use the approval based. This means you will get an email notification saying that somebody's enrolled in the course. If there's things to do like buy a book, you will do that. If you need them to call you, then put a message in. Please call to buy a book. If you're providing it or print, or if it's included in the price of the course to do the digital, please mark those appropriately. Please mark down all the information that you need on NISC, so any potential student can have the opportunity to enroll in the course and can talk to you. Then if you need, you can also type in your phone number and put like for course information. And then you basically can create a course. Now, if you do not want to do a reoccurring course, you basically can pick out like the 14th at 10 a.m. Then you would actually leave these blank. Same procedures here. If you have a large class and you have an existing instructor that's going to help you, same process. You put the price in, approval base, buy a book, any of the information. Then you will go down and you will hit create a course. So to verify, this course is now generated. If I have several courses that is generated and there is somebody that is needing to check a course and see what I've got out there for the week, I can go 14th through the 30th and it would list every courses that's there. If there is a deal to where you have like total as in one, that means one person is enrolled. Of course, this is the pass, this is the fail on how that does. You'll use that when you go to complete your roster. If you want to view the class, you can go to the view or edit, either way. Click on there and you have an edit class option. You also have an add a student option. So you can actually add a student by using first name, last name, email, and click in add a student. Now it takes you back to the home page again. And you see there's now a finalized. It also gives the information of the student that's there. So we'll look at this again from the home page. If you go to classes, down to the class/teach, you can enter in the 14th. Then at this point, you see that the class is there with one person total enrolled. If you go ahead at this point and you click into view, you can click the three dots again and you can resend an invitation, or you can remove from class, or you can finalize the course. When you click the finalize the course button, it's not been started. You can only do it after the course has been started. So if I want to remove the student, I just simply remove them. And again, it goes back to the natural state saying that he was removed. And now at this point, your class is still posted. So people that is actually going to Atlas to their home page and they're wanting to find a course, they can type in the town that you live in, select the deal, the location, they can select the date, or they can just raw search it like this. It will bring up the courses that is there and the renewal process and all the contact information you have that is there. And it also gives a chance to request the information by sending them an email. Thank you again for watching this. Please subscribe, like, and follow to our channel. Thank you.